I'm here with Mr. Strawman, Director of Building and Grounds here at Illini Central, and we're going to talk about some of the changes that we've made in terms of how we're cleaning the building and the things we're going to do to try to help the staff keep the building clean when the kids get back here in a week or so. So, Mr. Strawman, the first question I was thinking of is, what are some of the things you're going to do differently this year than what you would have normally done in a regular school year?
Well, we've spent quite a bit extra money on personal protection and equipment. One of the pieces of equipment that we're going to be using this year is an electrostatic sprayer. So this will be used for disinfecting. We can cover a lot more area and a lot more ground in a lot less time, and also use less product. So we'll be using disinfectant sprayers like this one throughout the building. We'll be increasing our daily coverage in high traffic areas such as hallways and restrooms, making sure that we disinfect and sanitize touch points throughout the day. And then we've also adjusted cleaning schedules so that we can be more effective in all the areas across the board.
So doing all this cleaning is going to be difficult enough for your guys. So what are you going to do? What are your plans to help teachers maybe clean their rooms throughout the day?
Well, yeah, actually teachers and staff are going to be helping us out a lot by cleaning in between each passing period. Each staff member will be given a bottle of quaternary disinfectant for the room. This is a disinfectant and a cleaner. So it's just one product. Will cover everything across the board. Everybody will get a bottle of disinfectant, cleaner, and also a stack of microfiber cloths. So between each period, they'll be cleaned, and then cloths will be sanitized and cleaned at the end of the day and returned to classes. And then also we're using dilution control stations so that we can ensure that we use the appropriate amount of disinfectant, and we're refilling those bottles, and we're using an approved solution every day in each of those areas for our sanitizing.
Okay, so that's so like we're saying, that way the teachers are going to help you out in between kids. It's not complete cleaning, but they're going to help clean surfaces and stuff. So we're getting cleaning throughout the day. And then what are we going to do at least through the month of September, the beginning of school? Everybody's going home earlier than normal. What are you having your staff do once everybody leaves the building, especially for that first month that we're back?
Yeah, we adjusted our custodial coverage so that we can focus more on deep cleaning in the evening. Now that doesn't mean that we're going to slough off during the day. We've still got coverage in the daytime, and we'll be focused on those high traffic areas. But in the afternoon, once staff leaves the building at 12:30, I've got 3 custodians that are coming in. They're going to focus on classroom cleaning. So we're going to deep clean each of those classrooms every day at the end of the day when the kids are gone. And then we've got a 4th custodian. He's going to be put on the shift to come in and focus on just high traffic in shared areas like hallways, restrooms, offices, gymnasiums, all of those other areas. Once everyone has completely left the building, we'll bring them in and they can deep clean those areas nightly. Also, we're rotating. We've got a rotating schedule this year. So I've got the custodians on a weekly rotation. Like I said, we'll have classroom cleaners, so we'll have a high school custodian for classrooms, we'll have middle school, and we'll have grade school, and then we've got that high traffic hallway custodian as well. And each week, those will rotate positions, so we get an even clean across the building, not just this person is cleaning this area. Everybody has a different eye, the way they see things, and they may focus on other things than custodian A may focus on this, where custodian B focuses on something else. And that way we just get a nice, even deep clean throughout the building and actually increases our efficiency.
So lastly, is there anything that you're doing besides what we've talked about, other things to help keep the building clean throughout the day?
Yeah, we've got actually a couple other things. We're doing floor markings and traffic patterns, so we keep directional traffic throughout the hallways. We're also putting down social distance markings throughout the hallways as well as outside. You'll see some paw prints spray painted on sidewalks, just kind of reminding people to keep their 6-foot social distance. As well as in the hallway, same thing, hash marks and divider lines with signage just to kind of improve the flow and keep everybody kind of at their distance throughout the day. Also, we've purchased dividers for each of the student desks. So they've got sneeze guards to kind of separate the students. So hopefully we can give everybody their own space within the space that we have to give them.
So appreciate you giving us an overview of what we're going to do. This time of year, the summer, but for both of us actually is pretty busy, and a normal school year this year has obviously been ramped up because of the changes we've had to make, and you've had to put a lot of time into this. That goes without saying. So thanks for giving us the time and giving us an overview of what we got going on. So
You're
thanks
welcome.
again.
We look forward to a safe and productive school year.
That's right. Thanks.